tired of our lines crossed. We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what.
Good morning. Today is Saturday. Honestly, I can't remember when last I vlogged. Life has been life, and I feel so tired. I had the most hectic day yesterday at work. It was so hard, so difficult. And I mean, it wasn't just for me. It was really for everyone. And I just felt like if we had one or two more hands, it would have made things, better. I am still very tired. I couldn't even have dinner yesterday. I came back from work and I just had my bath and slept. I have a church program today, and as it is, I am even late. The program should have started by now. It starts by 10 a.m. and it's almost like 11 o'clock. I woke up a couple of minutes to 10 rather. So I just want to put my room in order a little bit, and I'll get going. I'll prepare and get going to the program in church. Work has been very busy. I don't even know if I want to rant about it, but it's been very busy. So for some of you that think that when you come abroad, it's life is much easier. It's like soft bread. Okay, experience is the best teacher. That's all I can say. Anyways, let me make my bed and then I will prepare for the church program. We have like a youth conference going on in church today, and I do want to be there because I do not have the chance to go to church every single time. So I just feel like the few times that I can be in church, then I have to be. Let's get ready.
Trees aren't green, the ocean is grey, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capture in. I know I must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise, I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. No, I can't make it through. Every night is the same, I keep running fast, left and right.
So I am almost ready. I didn't do much for my skincare. I just applied my sunscreen because I'm running late, and given the fact that you have to wait for one product to dry down before you put another one, no strength. I applied this NYX Fat Lip Drip Oil. It's like my new favorite right now. Like, you don't even really have to apply so much, and it keeps your lips really hydrated for a very long time. Anyways, I am perfume. I am going to add out now. Scent for today is Wood and Roses, and this Far Away from Avon. The way it is so cold, man. It's safe to say that I didn't know how cold it was when I was planning this outfit. So this hoodie is like a cropped hoodie and it doesn't have pockets. So my hands are frozen and I'm just putting my hands like in here to just warm myself up. Just gonna wait for the bus.
I need a break, maybe that's why I fade into this bitter taste. I think I'll let it be. Trees aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capturing. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise. I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. No, I can't make it through. Every night is the same. I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. No, all of my problems. No. Where did it go? The feeling of thirst, desire to be a rock in my heels. I'm numb as a poison, flows in my veins. Guess I got used to avoiding the pain. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight.
It's such a wrong day to go to the city center, especially on Saturdays. Don't try it. It was so crowded. It feels like everybody came out today. That's what it feels like, really. I'm on my way back home. I stopped by H&M to pick my order after. Good morning. Today is Monday and I am not at work. It just feels like, because of the nature of my job, when others are having their weekends, it's more like when I'm at work, and when their weekends are rounding up, that's when my own weekend is just started. Anyways, today is the last day of my off. I'll be back at work tomorrow. I took yesterday to rest because I had a very hectic day at work on Friday, and Saturday I had to be at a youth conference in church, so I did not really rest like that. So yesterday I'm like, I need to rest. So I've got a couple of things lined up today, and let's just see if you're going to be able to, go through everything. I always use the L'Oreal Vitamin C and Salicylic face wash.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your
guys, good morning. I am on my way to the African store for some grocery shopping. I am low on a lot of things, so I just want to restock and just make sure that for the next 2-3 months we're kind of covered when it comes to food. And I have to travel to another city to do that, because in my city, calm down, we don't have like a decent African store, in my opinion. So the most decent African store is in another city that I have to take 2 buses to, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So let's go.
Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws.
Good morning, guys. I sincerely apologize for not speaking to you guys yesterday. I came back from the African store from grocery shopping, and I was very tired. The things that I got were quite heavy. I tried to get an Uber, but I mean, it wasn't just possible. So I had to carry those heavy items all the way home. I got here, I was very tired. I just made something to eat and I came to rest. So today I am going to be cooking. I want to make vegetable soup that we call efforiro, and I also want to make stew. I have been craving, that eba and white okra and stew. Yeah, so I want to make stew today, and I'm going to make white okra today as well, so that I can have that for dinner. But this morning we are going to be having yam and egg. Yeah, so I'm going to go now and make yam and egg, and then I'll start cooking.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like.
I just finished making the efforiro. I still have the stew left to make. This is the efforiro. This is it. And I'm just going to scoop it into this bowl so I can store. And then I'll make the, what's it called? The stew. Yeah. Everywhere is a bit of a mess, but let's get on with it. Our bowl of stew is ready. Assorted stew, actually. This is what I'm going to be having for dinner, with some okra and eba. So yep, this is pretty much everything that we've managed to cook. I am going to now go and have my bath. I am not ready to have dinner yet, so I'm going to come back and make my okra and eba, and then the soup in the little bowl is what I'm going to be using. I'm exhausted, but I really enjoyed cooking, and I'm happy that for the next 2 weeks ish, or 1.5 weeks, I'm going to be covered when it comes to food.
So yeah, let's go freshen up.
Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder.